Is your dryer taking too long to dry? You may need professional dryer vent repair in West Sayville, New York. Dryer Vent Wizard of Suffolk County repairs damaged, crushed, disconnected, and unsafe dryer vent systems. We provide residential and commercial dryer vent repair services, airflow corrections, and code-compliant vent solutions. Our dryer vent repair specialists help improve dryer efficiency, reduce fire hazards, and extend appliance life. Schedule trusted dryer vent repair in West Sayville, New York today at dryerventwizard.com or call 631-866-7120.